For a dependency and neglect case, what makes the cases tough is that the parents are typically of a lower socioeconomic status. So the housing they can't afford, lights they can't afford, water they can't afford. Sometimes they don't have travel to go to and from school, to and from work. So it kind of causes some issues with the state. So they inhibit their children's growth environmentally, educationally, medically, because they don't have the ability to take care of those things. So it is tough sometimes to see families who aren't bad parents. They're not inherently bad. They don't do drugs. They're not committing crimes. They just can't actually provide adequately for their child, which makes it difficult because you kind of feel for them that they aren't in this position by choice. Then you have other times you have clients that have disabilities. So they didn't choose to have the disability that led to the removal of the child or children. So at that point, they'll get assistance from the state and go through proper steps and procedures to have the children returned to them. But it is difficult sometimes to watch those people who didn't do anything wrong on their own, or sometimes the children will be removed because the children's needs outweigh that of which the parents can handle. So certain children have different medical and physical disabilities that require extra care, and that parent doesn't have the money or doesn't have the ability or doesn't have the education to provide that training. So those cases are tough too, especially when you have a removal that's not based on a direct action of the parent.